If your towel rack has become loose over time where it kind of moves a little bit on the wall, this is a method that you can use to quickly fix the towel rack. So to start off, if you look below where it's mounted on the wall, there should be a little screw right there on both of them. So on one on this side and then another one on this side. Take whatever screw, if it's a Phillips or a flathead, so this one's a flathead, just grab one of those screwdrivers. Okay. And then once you've loosened the screw enough, you should be able to just pull it straight off the wall right here. And then this will disconnect like that. Just set that to the side. This is how it's mounted onto the wall right here. This is the screw that we loosened right here. And so to fix this, all we have to do is tighten this screw so that it goes up a little bit further and secures it tighter onto the wall. Over time, this will just loosen, and then you can come back in and tighten it with the screwdriver. So I'm going to put it back on the wall, and then I'm also going to tighten it, and that should fix the problem. This side's also loose, so I'll start off by tightening here. First side has been tightened down. Now it doesn't wiggle when you push on it. We'll go ahead and put the rest of it back on. I'm gonna take the center pole and then just line it back up right here. So it's on that one. Then I'll take this portion and line it up back on the wall here. To stop it from wiggling, just tighten the screw. All right, both sides have been tightened now, and it doesn't wiggle anymore. It's ready to go. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments.